First Nations TV, your news first. The Northern Territory Government announced it will invest $3.6 million in funding to Aboriginal Ranger groups across the Territory. 15 recipients were successful in applying for the 2022 Aboriginal Ranger Grant Program, including the 4 Aboriginal land councils to help deliver management and conservation outcomes for our land and sea environments.
One of the main focuses of the Aboriginal Ranger Grants Program is supporting Aboriginal jobs on country. So when we're talking about conservation, land and sea management on country, we know that our rangers are the experts in the field. We have some other projects, particularly around surveying and research projects as well, which is really important when we're talking about the impact on some of our native flora and fauna on country and some of the rejuvenation and rehabilitation for particular areas.
The Larrakia Rangers were one of the successful applicants for the grants.
The NT Ranger Grants have been incredibly important to Larrakia Nation, allowing us to study different aspects of Larrakia country. Ours is kind of harbour based, so around marine creatures and shorebirds that use the intertidal zone. We monitor Shoal Bay quite a bit as well. We've been doing some crab research and shellfish research over there.
This is the 5th year of the grants, which include capital funding, conservation land management funding and INPEX LNG Coastal Management Offset Fund.
INPEX is delighted to be supporting this initiative as the Aboriginal Rangers identify and design plans and programs to manage land and sea priorities in the Northern Territory. The Aboriginal Ranger Grant Program provides more than just environmental offsets. It enables Aboriginal Rangers to work on country, providing broader social and economic benefits to Aboriginal people across the Northern Territory.
The funding will be used for the purchase of vehicles and equipment, information technology, communication systems and infrastructure, feral animal management, fire and weed management, protection of threatened species, cultural management, and training and skills development. The grant program helps Aboriginal Ranger groups deliver land and sea management outcomes on Aboriginal land to protect our landscapes, coastlines and waterways, and contributes to creating more jobs on country for Aboriginal Territorians. First Nations TV, your news first.